Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Education. If you are new to our channel, then please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Today topic is AC motor. So let's start the video. An AC motor is an electric motor driven by an alternating current. The AC motor commonly consists of two basic parts: an outside stator having coils supplied with alternating current to produce a rotating magnetic field, and an inside rotor attached to the output shaft producing a second rotating magnetic field. The rotor magnetic field may be produced by permanent magnets, reluctance, saliency, or DC or AC electrical windings. Less common AC linear motors operate on similar principle as rotating motors but have their stationary and moving parts arranged in a straight line configuration, producing linear motion instead of rotation. Operating principles: the two main types of AC motors are induction motors and synchronous motor. The induction motor always relies on a small difference in speed between the stator rotating magnetic field and the rotor shaft speed called slip to induce rotor current in rotor AC winding. As a result, the induction motor cannot produce torque near synchronous speed where induction is irrelevant or ceases to exist. In contrast, the synchronous motor does not rely on slip induction for operation and uses either permanent magnet salient poles or an independently excited rotor winding. The synchronous motor produces its rated torque at exactly synchronous speed. The brushless wound rotor doubly fed synchronous motor system has an independently excited rotor winding that does not rely on the principle of slip induction of current. The brushless wound rotor doubly fed motor is a synchronous motor that can function exactly at the supply frequency or sub to super multiple of supply frequency. Other type of motor include eddy current motors and AC and DC mechanically commutated machines in which speed is dependent on voltage and winding connection. AC motor types: universal motor and series wound motor. A universal motor is designed that can operate an either AC or DC power. In universal motors, the stator and rotor of a brushed DC motor are both wound and supplied from an external source, with the torque being a function of the rotor current times the stator current, so reversing the current in both rotor and stator does not reverse the rotating. Universal motor can run an AC as well as DC provided the frequency is not so high that can inductive reactance of the stator winding and eddy current losses. Nearly all universal motors are series wound because their stator have relatively few turns, minimize inductance. Hope you like my video. See you in next video.